Hello po sa mga followers ng Showbiz Tita. I know I promised you today an upload and ito muna ang introduction ko. I wanna say hi to everyone. I'm sorry kung medyo late yung upload kasi alam niyo naman night owl ako. Baka hindi alam ng iba sa inyo. So, minsan nag-upload ako ng madaling araw kasi mas buhay ako pag gabing-gabi na. And actually, I'm reminded of someone na maybe hindi nyo alam that our dear Kokoy Laurel was a nocturnal creature. Yan po ang description sa kanya ng kanyang kapatid na si David. At sabi nga ni David, Kokoy sleeps mga 5 a.m., 6 a.m. na. Kasi alam niyo kung bakit? He is doing his painting. Yan po ang naging life ni Dear Kokoy before he passed. And late, of course, dahil late siyang matulog, ay late na rin siyang nag-start ng araw niya, mga hapon na, ganun. So, wala lang. Sinabi ko lang itong trivia na to kasi medyo relate lang ako kay Sir Kokoy. Talagang mas gising ako pag US time. Kung merong board sa inyo na taga-US, pwede nyo ako i-message at mag-uusap tayo. Charot. Although, itong habit na late matulog ay ina-avoid ko rin talaga kasi I have sometimes I do work in the morning, so mahirap naman kung puyat, but I don't have a 9 to 5 job kaya okay lang. And of course I saw the some pictures of a group of Gaikoy fans who met with Mr. and Mrs. Laurel over the weekend, and nakakatuwa yung tingnan kasi you had a bonding time with Mr. David and Miss Ruby. Na-meet ko rin sila. Well, yeah, I had an interview noong burol ni Sir Kokoy, and they're really nice and decent. They're very approachable, and wala talaga akong negative na masasabi sa kanila. Kasi kung ma-compare ko kasi honestly, noong burol ni Superstar, meron akong naging hindi kagandahang encounter, pero syempre, i-ano na lang natin yan. Subukan natin kalimutan kasi daan na din siguro yung tao, kaya I feel na hindi naging maganda ang treatment. Pero as for the Laurels, ayoko namang mag-compare, pero napakabait talaga nila. And as a result of the meeting of the Gaikoy group last weekend, nabalitaan ko na yun nga, sinabi raw ni Mr. David, actually it's out na in some Facebook post na meron daw 8 feet, dalawang 8 feet painting si Kokoy. And actually, I inquired this sa isang staff earlier. Yun nga, si Steve. So, sabi niya, baka, well, this has to be confirmed, pero ito turn over daw nila ang painting sa family ni Ate Guy. So, I'm not sure if it will be reserved for an exhibit, kasi I was informed din dati na magkakaroon ng exhibit ng paintings ni Sir Kokoy, or they will turn it over to the family of Ate Guy. So, either of those two. And then, kanina ring umaga, meron ako nakausap na Gaikoy fan. And I'm not sure kung gusto niyang pangalanan siya. Pero yun, napag-usapan nga namin yung issue ng pagkakalat ng fake news ng ilang vlogger or fans. Yun na nga, so we must proceed with caution kasi wag tayong basta-bastang maniniwala, 'di ba? Unless may makita tayong video na yung tao mismo ang nagsasalita from the Laurel side or from Ate Guy side, wag po tayong basta-bastang maniniwala, 'di ba? Kasi minsan we have to be responsible content creators pa rin. Even if we need the views for Facebook, syempre, we need to be careful what we are spreading, 'di ba? Kasi it can stir up the emotions of the fans na parang namamanipulate ang emotions ng mga Gaikoy fans, and that's what we don't want to happen, right? Pero ito kasing issue na meron daw sinabi si Kokoy kay Sir David na one thing he regrets daw. Yun nga, I think that was denied by Sir David. But I just want to share kasi na I met someone na meet ni Sir Kokoy for like more than 10 times, na naging friend ni Sir Kokoy, and he could be watching right now. Sinabi niya na, yun nga, parang may konting regret nga si Kokoy nung napag-usapan nila yung issue ng kay Superstar, na parang hindi daw niya masabi-sabi, na parang may regret nga. But it didn't come from Mr. David Laurel. Okay? So, yun. Hindi ko rin kasi ma-confirm. I hope naman na totoo ang sinabi ng tao na to. Kasi he met with Kokoy. He was there nga during the lamay. Nga sinabi niya na na-touch nila yung topic ni Ate Guy. So, sa assessment ko, I don't think we will hear more from either the Laurel family or Ate Guy's family, kasi syempre the two are departed na, and maybe they don't want to really touch the topic of the two's relationship. But I still hope to meet someone who could corroborate, di ba? Maybe someone who could share. So, I'm just hopefully ibibigay sa atin ni Lord itong someone na ito, if there is, 'di ba? Para hindi naman masyadong misteryoso ang iniisip natin about Gaikoy. By the way, kanina may nakita rin akong comment, constructive comment naman, na bakit daw sinabi ko na puppy love, ganun-ganun. Wala lang. Sa side ko, I was using reverse psychology on Kokoy Laurel. Kasi baka pag sinabi kong puppy love, bigla siyang mag-react, 'di ba, na, uy, hindi puppy love 'yun. Parang ganun. So, yeah. Well, what happened during the interview happened already. Let bygones be bygones. I know marami sa inyo na nag-iisip din siguro the interview could have been conducted any other way, but that's the best I could come up with given the limitations and the spontaneity of the interview. Okay. So, actually, ito nga yung video na prinamis ko sa Facebook, which I haven't uploaded pa. When I asked this question, merong family member na nag-react. Actually, it was Denise, na sabi niya, that's kind of personal. And she was thinking kasi of Noranians who might react. But Mr. David Laurel gamely answered the question when I asked him. And ito na nga yung question na tinanong ko. Why did Kokoy prefer to be single? And may sagot si Sir David. Yun. So, I'll see you again later. Here is the video. Pero sir, ano po bang, like, he didn't really get married? I mean, he was devoted to his
He was so
career.
creative. And his relationship with the Lord was so focused.
Totoo naman talaga yung sinabi ni Sir David that uh, Kokoy devoted the remainder of his life in service of the Lord. 'Di ba? I mean, yung taga Santuario de San Antonio would attest to the fact na he was deeply in service to the church, he was philanthropic. But one thing for sure, palaging pinagdarasal ni Kokoy si Ate Guy. I'm sure they were praying for each other. And so this ends my video. The comments are now open. Hope you're having a great weekend. Thank you.